Impact of formulation variables on 32 kilograms per cubic meter flexible polyurethane foam. Jaya Maitra, Harshi Jaiswal, Mahesh N, Gopal Samudram and Mukesh Sharma. Polyurethanes are polymers made up of urethane linkages, which are generated by exothermic reactions between isocyanates containing more than one reactive isocyanate group (NCO) per molecule and alcohols having two or more reactive hydroxyl O groups per molecule, diols, triols, and polyols. Polyurethane foams are further classified as rigid, semi-rigid, and flexible foams. The comfort, breathability, flexibility, and robustness of flexible polyurethane foams (FPU) make them especially desirable in the mattress, automotive, and upholstery sectors. This study investigates the effect of various formulation variables on flexible polyurethane foam (FPU) of a density of 32 kilograms per cubic meter. A detailed observatory analysis is performed to figure out the impacts of toluene diisocyanate (TDI), water, surfactant, stannous octoate, and amine on unfilled 32 density FPU foam. The concentration of each component was manipulated to study its influence on the conduct and quality of the PU foam. All other factors that affect the final foam's quality, such as chemical temperature, mixing speed, ambient temperature, and humidity, were controlled to minimize their influence and precisely monitor the effects triggered solely by varying chemical concentrations in the FPU foams. For comparative purposes, an ideal foam with the correct amount of chemicals was developed. Comparative findings indicated that amine influences the porous nature of the resultant material. Silicone plays a crucial role in delivering strength and stability to the cells and cell struts. Stannous octoate provides the foam the strength required to sustain its structural integrity, and TDI has a significant impact on the hardness of the foam. Water additionally functions as a blowing agent, which is essential to initiate the foam to rise from liquid components to a compressible solid. Each ingredient has a considerable impact on the chemistry, foaming procedure, and physical characteristics of the finished material. In this study, we discussed some of the more prevalent issues that arise due to insufficient or excessive concentration of chemicals on the development and quality of the resultant polyurethane foam and offered an understanding of the chemistry and underlying reasons for these problems. This chapter delivers an insightful comprehensive description to the novices in the PU field, researchers and industrial professionals about the correlations between the FPU's structure, physical characteristics, formulation compositions, and chemical mechanisms. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.